This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 30th day of March. James Spann here, and we're getting set for the warmest weather so far this year by the end of this week. Exciting stuff. Let's talk about it. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots and look at that full moon. It's captured from our Coleman Skycam. It's called the worm moon. First full moon of spring, allegedly when the earthworms begin to move around and do their thing. Here's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. You can see that big moon up there shining in the top of the screen. And Trussville, that's the view coming from Chalkville Mountain Road. Looking back over toward Interstate 5920. Things are nice and quiet at 5 a.m. Water vapor satellite shot. Big trough rotating off the east coast. New trough moving into the west. And we're in between all of that. So it's going to be a great day. But pretty cold out this morning. In fact, we've got some folks flirting with freezing. Look at Haleyville sitting at 34. We just noted our Skywatcher up in Fayette has a low of 34 as well, and I would imagine there's some scattered frost in some pockets there. And we've got mid to upper 30s over in East Alabama. Birmingham sitting at 42, but we warm up very quickly today. And around the nation, you can see how the big thaw is on. We've got, these are temperatures in the middle of the night here at, let's see, 09Z, and that is... Let's see, what's that? 4 a.m. And you can see the temperatures are in the 50s across the plain states. You really have to go up to Canada to find that red line, the freeze line. And around the nation, things are pretty quiet. Got some wind advisories out west with that big upper trough, few scattered snow advisories out there. And up in the extreme northeast, some coastal flood watches for that departing storm. Here's the QPF chart, expected rain over the course of the next 5 days. And this is suggesting nothing, no rain at all. This is valid through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. Rain off to the west, and again, it will rain at some point this weekend, but looks like it'll be a fast-moving band of showers and storms, and it's not going to rain all that much. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. About 18 to 20,000 feet up. There's your trough up in the northeast. New trough out west. Down below that, we will have a beautiful day. Man, look at the storm just east of Long Island. It's going to be windy and wet up there. Tomorrow, sunny with upper 70s. How about that? Be flirting with 80. And here's Thursday. Look at the ridge over the deep south. There's the big trough digs out west. The ridge pumps up, and that should make the warmest day so far this year for us with low 80s. Be the warmest day since October of last year. And then on Friday, the same deal. Mostly sunny with low 80s likely. Now, Saturday starting off the weekend, there's your trough. This one is a little farther south, and it's got some of a negative tilt to it. And again, down below that, there's a band of showers and storms. A sub-1,000 millibar low is located near Chicago with the thunderstorms down through Memphis and Jackson, down Interstate 55. And this run is a little faster. And this would suggest that it could be late Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening when those storms get in here. So as you can see, the timing's been all over the board. We've seen some runs as late as after midnight Saturday night. But again, this would really suggest the main window would be from about 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon until midnight Saturday night. And then there's Saturday night at 1 a.m. Just after midnight, the showers are departing. And Easter Sunday would be dry if this is right. And no cold air behind it. Highs should be in the 70s on Sunday. So we'll kind of watch the 12Z run. And if it comes in similar to this, we'll make the adjustment and indicate the better chance of showers and storms Saturday evening. And again, there could be some strong storms based on this, but, you know, we've seen runs where the dynamics pass way north. The consistency in modeling has not been good. And then Monday of next week looks dry. Tuesday of next week, look at the next trough coming in here. Down below that, a much deeper surface low is located north of Des Moines, and that would suggest there might be some thunder in there maybe toward the middle part of next week. And then quickly, we'll check the end of the forecast on the 14th. No sign of any cold air there. The flow is fairly zonal across the country, and that looks kind of showery. But again, no sign of any major cold air outbreak or late season freeze on this run. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.